Let's make Kraken Bloody Mary salt. Kraken Bloody Mary salt has 3 ingredients: salt, paprika, and pepper. I'm going to start with the salt. I'm going to put 1/4 cup, which is 2 ounces, which is 60 milliliters, into a little container. This doesn't pour as well as I hoped it would. That's even worse. I'll be right with you. Well, that was a nightmare. Note, practice with new containers off camera first. 1/4 cup into my little container. Then paprika. Paprika we want, let me double check, 1 teaspoon, which is 15 milliliters. I'm going to do this off camera as well, probably, because this one doesn't fit in there. I'll be right back. 1 tablespoon of paprika on top of the salt, and pepper. This one has a little black pepper, ground black pepper. This one has a little thing that teaspoons are supposed to fit through. Let's see if it does, because it's 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters. Oh, and that was perfect. Now I'm going to grab a random spoon, stir it all together. And there you have it, Kraken Bloody Mary salt. Enjoy.